Hello, today I will present my engineering project and show the working steps of my sign language education and translation mobile application. First, why did I choose this topic? There are more than 466 million hearing impairment individuals in the world. Studies in this area are very limited and most of the people do not even know sign language. People's not knowing the sign language also restricted the right of the disabled individual in social life. That's why my project in this direction. What does my project do? How is it different from the other application? My project presents a training and translation platform under certain headings. While providing real-time translation to people, it also aims to teach sign language with visual support. It provides an expandable dictionary to the user in order to eliminate the word deficiency in other applications. At the same time, other applications cannot provide a free training and translation platform same time to user and are not beneficial to the user. It aims to eliminate the negativities about animation with the use of the individual videos. Before starting the application, I will explain the steps of the project. First, the database table were created on MySQL Workbench to be used in the application. Database connection have been established to use this table. Different queries are written to add, delete, search, and update method. Speech recognition process has been done for the translation area, and the upload function has been improved to add words and the camera activities run. Final process is stemming, lemmatization, tokenization were carried out for the text pre-processing on the translation platform. When we start the application now, we see all the steps. Since there is no specific domain addresses in the project, so the IP address is constantly changed. When we start the application, first page is slide activity page. Slide activity was used to inform the user in the first stage of the application. And when click the Get Started button, we will access the login page. If the user is registered in the system, he or she can access the main part of the system. If it is not registered, it performs the operation with the sign up button. Here, the user give nickname, name, surname, mail address or password and create the new user account. When return the login page, I will give my name and my password and I click the login button. Now we will see a personalized page layout. The next step takes place depending on the user section. For example, when you look at the education part, different topics and the test section will come. For example, we choose the family title and the most used words are seen in this field and every topic is planned in this way. For example, we click the father and father is represented as a sign language video like this. In the test section, test titles are displayed according to the level of the user. Each test contains 10 questions and it is expected to reach the desired score within a specified time period. If the user got the desired score, he or she can see the next subject headings. For example, when I start a test, I click the alphabet and number. We see the second remaining score question and the question text. We will answer the one or two questions now. And we use next button, or we can use the previous button, or we finish the test. In the translation part, I use Apache OpenNLP library and text pre-processing takes place in this section. When user enters the text, first tokenization, then stemming and lemmatization process are applied and the roots are reached and shown in a list. For example, we write how are you and click the translated button. First tokenization process are applied, Then stemming lemmatization process are applied. Then we see the word as a list. So it is possible to play these words individually or as a group. When we play as a group, we click the show button and how are you is translated as a sign language videos. Or we write the woman. When write the woman and click the translated button, associated verb will appear in the list. And in the last example, we write today is sunny. If there is a word that doesn't match, we can add it to the database. First, we run the video activity and write the word into the system. A video suitable for this word is taken and uploaded to the system. The word will not be missing the next time it is used. When we adding the word in the database, we click the add word button. Then we enter the word and select the topic. Then we record the video as suitable for the word. Then upload it to the system. Since I use an emulator while running this application, we can only see the camera activity with a certain video. An individual video for the word sunny can be shot when used on a regular phone. In the translation part, if the keyboard is not desired, voice recognition works with this button and write the input value. When you click the updated button, user can update his name, surname, mail addresses or password. My application steps are done, so I will explain why did I choose Java for this application. Many software languages such as Swift, C, C#, C++ can be used in the mobile application, but I preferred Java language in my project. So why? Because in my project I use Google API services in the steps such as camera activity and speech recognition part, and these are written in Java language. Thanks to this API, we can access these services that Android has from outside. In addition, Java code is known to be very fast and reliable. Finding and fixing error is very easy. Then it is possible to establish an easy connection with the database with Java database connection, and which is an important step for the project. As a result, I think that the sign language education and translation platform developed as a easy-to-use mobile application will help people learn sign language visually and achieve the success. However, in order to obtain clear result, user must use this application for a certain period of time. This application can be further developed by adding different options in the feature and can appeal to wider audience. In the future, I think that this application can be transformed in the universal sign language learning and translation platform, adding the different language supports, and the application that only performed one-sided translation can offer bidirectional work with the motion detection. My presentation is ended here, and thank you for listening to me.